guys, Miss Wendy thought today she would share with you what she does for the birds. I know it's been a while since I've updated you on the birds, but how about we show you what some of the things I do. Not only do I feed and give them water, but I give them treats, and they like apples. And so Miss Wendy takes an apple and I kind of chop it up real fine, and they get real excited. This morning they had a little bit of celery leaves, which is their favorite. They go crazy over that one. And other times we give them apple. And I chop it up real fine for them. And then I put it in their cage. And they just kind of nibble on it throughout the day. But they are getting big. One of the baby birds has come out of the nest and comes out and eats a little bit and flies around a little bit and goes in and takes a nap, just like you guys do, because it's still little. It still needs its rest. But it's doing really good. We have 3 total baby birds. Some of the eggs did not hatch, which are okay. Things like that happen. But I'm just chopping up some apples for them. And then I'm going to show you where we actually put them in their cage. And I've had to add a cage to it to give them some room to fly because it was getting too crowded in there. So I'll show you that too. So here are our little birds. We have 4 grown-ups and there's one baby bird that's peeking his head out of the nest. He's wondering what's going on. So I'm going to give them some apple right now. I'm just going to drop it through here onto their thing. Since I changed the cage around, I can just drop their apple right on top of the feeder, so that they can enjoy it. That way it doesn't have to be put in a bowl. Because I was putting it in the lid of a coffee thing, and they were not happy with that because it was kind of black and kind of scared them, I think. But, so here we go. We'll see if they'll eat any of it. And I'll let the video run so you can just see them moving around. But they do like their apple. There you go, babies. Come on, you gonna come up and try it? Come on. Come on, come try it. Come on. Come on over and have some. Come on. It's okay. There you go. There you go. Have some. Have some apple. Eat it up. Come on. My friends want to come see you. They want you to come see them. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Come on over. Come on over and get some apple, boys. Come on. Yeah. Come on over, guys. Yeah, I've got some apple for you. Come on up. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. There you go, baby girl. Now, what? You got a piece? Yeah. Yes, I see. Yeah, look at you flying around. Ooh, is that good, Mama? There's the mommy bird. She loves the apple. The rest of them are not quite sure if they want to come up. They think it's a little unusual. But she's a little bit more daring than the other ones. The other ones are kind of like, yeah, I'm not sure. There we go. Yeah. Come on up and have some. Come on, babe. Yeah? Good job. I'm sitting up here. They like their snacks. And if it falls down in the bottom, they pick it up. They don't care. Come on over. Come on over and get some. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Gonna take it with you? There you go. Oh, you dropped it. Oh, no, you got it. Don't throw the apple out of the cage, you silly. You can enjoy it. You don't have to throw it. Yeah, there you go. here are our baby birds. One of them is able to come out and move around, but it's kind of resting right now with the other two. Just kind of laying there relaxing. Sometimes it ends up going in the other bird's nest that I made. And kind of, let's see if I can open this. Yeah. And sometimes sits inside there. Not for very long, but sometimes. So there they are, sweet as can be, getting big. Sometimes they'll peek their head out, but sometimes they don't. So we just have to be patient. They'll come out when they're ready.